They've decided on something that you're going to build, but your unique approaches to building those things and unlocking that potential and talent in you. That's the key thing that we're here to see.
Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to this year's Chevron Hackathon. My name is Shogain Wester. Wisdom, what have you learned in this year Chevron Hackathon?
Well, starting from day one, we are taught critical thinking and embedded systems. So, as I can say so far, critical thinking is when you're thinking outside of the box, like during hard situations, while embedded systems is the combination of hardware and software together.
Okay, good one.
Smart waste management can contribute to environmental preservation. The team have come up with a solution to that, which is the smart waste sorting machine that will sort the waste and make it easier for recycling.
You empower yourself, you will not only be able to excel in your chosen career, you will also be able to make a difference.